Oo, maganda yung ganito. Tsaka walang chenes, yung hindi ka pa busog na busog. Kasi minsan nakakaano eh. Yan na. Okay. Pictura na. Gaganunin mo kaya kasi masyado nang maliwanag yan. Pag pinictura mo ako doon.
May butas oh.
Ay, tumutulo. Oo, papaano natin kay Myra. O kaya papalitan na lang natin yan. Bago mag-November 1.
Ayun
Ha?
isa pa.
Tumutulo. Sige. Picture. Mama, Papa. Kuya Machas, Kuya Luisito, Kuya Maxi, Daddy.
Buti dito walang
Kuya
lamok
Rodol.
mo.
Daddy, Churomi, Churomio, Ate Evelyn Tuason, Lola Lucia Leda, Luis C. Quintana, Emiliana, R. Quintana. It's your death anniversary, August 12, 1984.
August 12 no?
Today is August 12. And we are not happy for this, but we have to celebrate my mom's death anniversary with my kids, Liana and Lucky. Okay. There's a flower and a candle for you, Mom. Rest in peace, and we will continuously pray for you for your eternal rest with Papa G and with Papa, Kuya Luisito, Kuya Machas, Kuya Maxi, and all our family, relatives, and friends in heaven. Tomorrow we'll celebrate Kuya Yoyong's birthday and BFF Jojo Rosales, Yana's Ninong, is birthday tomorrow, and Kuya Yoyong tomorrow naman. So we'll pray for all the souls in heaven, most especially Emiliana Romero Quintana and everyone in the soul in the purgatory. Rest in peace, everyone. Thank you. Amen. 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 Okay naman, pipicture ko lang.